Hi friends, welcome to new video. Today let's discuss some important questions and answers related to Hiroshima and Nagasaki Day. First question, who was the United States President when Hiroshima and Nagasaki were bombed? Answer, Harry S. Truman. Harry S. Truman was the United States President when Hiroshima and Nagasaki was bombed. Who played a central role in developing the atom bomb? J. Robert Oppenheimer. J. Robert Oppenheimer played a central role in developing atom bomb. He is known as the father of atom bomb, Robert Oppenheimer. What was the name of the top secret project to develop the atomic bomb during World War II? Answer, the Manhattan Project. What was the main component of the atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima? Uranium-235 was the main component of the atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima. Uranium-235. What was the target of the atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima? A military headquarters. That was the target. Next question. What is the name of the annual event that is held in Hiroshima to commemorate the victims of the atomic bombing? Hiroshima Peace Memorial Day. What is the name of the atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima? Answer, Little Boy. The atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima is Little Boy, and Nagasaki it is Fat Man. Nagasaki Fat Man, Hiroshima Little Boy. Which country is located in Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Where is Hiroshima and Nagasaki? In Japan. The US used nuclear weapons in Japan instead of attacking which US port? A US port was attacked by Japan during World War II. Instead of that, US dropped atom bomb in Japan. Which is that port? Pearl Harbor. Next question. What are the survivors of the nuclear attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki called? Survivors of the nuclear attack on Hiroshima and Nagasaki were called Hibakusha. What was the name of the aircraft that dropped the atom bomb on Hiroshima? Name of the aircraft that dropped atomic bomb on Hiroshima was Enola Gay B-29. Enola Gay B-29 bomber. Next question. What was the name of the aircraft that dropped the atom bomb on Nagasaki? Boxcar. Which girl died of cancer due to atomic bomb radiation in Hiroshima? Answer, Sadako Sasaki. When was the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima? August 6, 1945. Atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. In Nagasaki, August 9, 1945. Which element was used in Fat Man? Fat Man was the bomb dropped in Nagasaki. In Hiroshima, we told that Little Boy. Which element was used? Uranium-235. Which element was used in Fat Man, the bomb dropped in Nagasaki? Plutonium-239. Who was the pilot who bombed Hiroshima? Who was the pilot of that aircraft which bombed Hiroshima? Paul Tibbett. Paul Tibbett. Paul W. Tibbett was the captain of that pilot of that aircraft. What is the name of the pilot who bombed Nagasaki? Charles Sweeney. Captain Major Sweeney was the pilot of the aircraft that bombed Nagasaki. Who was the president of Japan when dropped the atomic bomb on Hiroshima? Tojo. Where was India's first atomic bomb tested? Pokhran in Rajasthan. During this time, Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. What is the process of the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki? What is happening there? Fission, nuclear fission is happening inside the atomic bomb. Who authored the historical novel War and Peace? Who authored the historical novel War and Peace? Answer, Leo Tolstoy. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If it is useful for you, please share this video to your friends. Thank you.